Simon Ekpa is not a terrorist, said by im hardcore followers. No be small tin o, dem don send a strong message go give Tinubu government. Tell dem say since wey be say dem dey sponsor terrorism for inside Nigeria, say the US no the main terrorists in Nigeria. Abeg, let me play the video make you watch before we come back and continue. Share this video, drop your own opinion inside comment section.
Opportunity to respect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and to call for the terrorist Nigerian state to immediately release our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and Simon Ekpa in Finland. All right. On Saturday, the terrorist government of Nigeria brought out a list of terrorism. And then the one that interests me the most, or where I'm going to be talking about, is the one that they mentioned Biafran, indigenous people of Biafran and Simon Ekpa. And I asked a question that day. You see, that list is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Just know that that list stops on the table of the drug lord, Tinubu. Now, they brought that list in order to distract Nigerians, in order to distract the world, in order to make the foolish countries that don't know what they are doing, that they are milking. You know, some of this is France, where the people who prepared that nonsense, I told them to do it. And then they brought out those rubbish and they shot themselves in the leg. And now let me tell you this. Nobody should reject. Nobody should be moved about that list. That list is not going anywhere. Remember, in 2019, Abu Dhabi, which is somewhere in I think Abu Dhabi, or should I say somewhere in Abu Dhabi anyway, so that my videos will not be too long. Now, brought out a list and gave to Dubai that these are the people sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria. And that list was handed over to Tinubu. FBI have the copy of those lists of the terrorist sponsors in Nigeria. And now this is to my own amusement when they started naming Igbos, naming Hausas without putting Yorubas there. And the problem is this. You see, Nigeria is so forgetful in a way. They are so forgetful and so foolish that they forget to have put in people like, people that are meant to be on that list are not there if you look very well. Like people like Shakal. They are not, it's not there. Bello Tunji's name is not there. Sultan of Sokoto's name is not there. The terrorist negotiator, what is his name again? The terrorist negotiator's name is not there. And they now went as far as putting Mazi Simon Ekpa. I know the reason why they did it is that Mazi Simon Ekpa's case is coming up very soon. And every hand is on deck to make sure that Ekpa's name will be cleared from terrorism. So they put it there so that when the global community sees it, they say, oh, these people are terrorists indeed. And so Ekpa's name made it to the list. And some 13 Igbo people name made it to the list. So these people are actually terrorists. And now they went as far as putting the same people that they sent to Finland to go and lie against Simon Ekpa's name in that list. If you check, you see something like indigenous people of Biafra are all terrorists, which means you and I are terrorists, which means all the whole Igbo race is terrorists. Why Sheikh Gumi is moving freely? Why Sheikh Gumi's name did not make it to that list? Do you see where I'm coming from? Why Bola Ahmed Tinubu's name did not make it to that list? Because he's the president of Nigeria. Why people like Issa Pantami's name did not make it to that list? Because they are all terrorist sympathizers and terrorist sponsors and terrorist negotiators. So what they are trying to do is to shift narrative, shift blame, and then make the world start looking in another direction. But the world is smarter now. You know why they're smarter? Tinubu is a drug lord. He's a criminal. Tinubu cannot enter, your president cannot enter United States of America. The man you call the president cannot fly into America. And I have made it categorically clear on my channel. Anybody that sees Tinubu in United States of America, fly to United States of America without Trump clearing his name, without FBI clearing his name from the wanted U.S. wanted list. Wallahi, come and take $1,000 from me. I'm putting down $1,000. And this $1,000 has been there since over 8 months now. Go and check my previous videos. This is a man who calls Simon Ekpa because they know that once Ekpa comes out, that he is going to defend the mandate of his declaration. He's going to defend that country. And that is why they are calling him terrorist. And that is why they put his name there. And they now called you and I, the indigenous people of Biafra, terrorists. And it's that same indigenous people of Biafra that they paid money. They bribed to go to Finland to go and, you see, this is what we have been telling these DOS people. This is what we have been telling them. The kind of people you work with will destroy you. Now they called Simon all manner of names. And at the end of the day, they removed Simon to jail Mazin and the kind of life imprisonment. Now those DOS that has been fighting Mazin, Simon, all of them now disappeared. None of them is showing face. I thought there was a way they were going to do it and get it right. This is a man that cannot step his foot in America. Tinubu cannot go to America as we speak. Hope Uzodinma cannot go to America as we speak. What is his name? Chalewa Mbafo cannot go to America as we speak. They are all wanted in America. That is why any small thing they run to United Kingdom. Any small thing they run to United Kingdom. All of them from A to Z. These are the people calling us terrorists. These are the people that made some Igbos, put some Igbo name as terrorist financiers. And where are these people? They didn't go for them for arrest. They only put their names there. Where are they? Are they living outside the country? They made them to be terrorists. And when you check the people that Tinubu puts their name as terrorist financier, you find out that it's people that is against his government. People that is against what he's doing. No one person there wants to be terrorist. You have the likes of Sultan of Sokoto, where terrorists converge to do meetings. His name did not make it to that list. Because if you try it, you know that you are not going to stay in that seat 24 hours. Because they are the one ruling the country. You have people like Gumi that goes to negotiate with the terrorists. That goes to give terrorists, to sympathize with terrorists. His name did not make it to that list. But Simon Ekpa, that is in Finland, name made it to the list of terrorism. So nobody should reject. Nobody should be moved. The world knows who they are already. US knows who they are. Is it not Canada that told you that APC and PDP are all terrorist group? Terrorist, what is it called? Group. Is it not Canadian court that said it? So do you think that they know, you know better than these people? Do you think that they don't see what we are saying? So they know that what they have done is just evil. They cherry picked and then brought people's name and added there to make it look as if they have the original copy. FBI of America have the original copy of those who are terrorizing Nigeria. They have it. Those who are sponsoring the terrorists in Nigeria. The former Attorney General of Federation, Malami's house was raided and they discovered ammunition, live ammunition with bullets in that house, and the house was seized. His name did not make it to that terrorist list. Have you seen the kind of country you are? Have you seen why Nigeria must collapse under our watch? Have you seen the reason why all of you are suffering? You are suffering, and these people are using your head every single day to jam it together to fight Igbo, Hausa, and Yorubas. This is what they did. They brought Igbo and Hausa together to slam us so that we will continue to fight. Now, there is no one Yoruba man's name there that made it to the list. And then somebody will come and tell us we should stop talking about Tinubu. Tinubu is a criminal, a drug trafficker in Chicago, a certificate forger, a murderer. Tinubu is a thief. Tinubu remains a man who sympathizes with the terrorists in Nigeria. Tinubu is a drug pusher in Chicago. Tinubu served prison time in America. And that is why he knows he cannot. This same criminal man that is called Tinubu forged the certificate that he became a president of a nation. He forged the certificate that he submitted to INEC. And when the push came to shore, Tinubu told us that he went to Chicago State University. And when they went to investigate, Tinubu graduated he entered there as a man, graduated as a woman. What a mystery indeed. This is a man that called us a terrorist. A man that forfeited $450,000 US for drug trafficking. That is a man that called Simon Ekpa a terrorist. All these things I'm counting for you, these things are verifiable. You can go and verify. Go and verify these things I'm telling you today. Tinubu is a known drug lord. Tinubu is a terrorist sympathizer. Tinubu is a terrorist himself. And because he's the president of the nation, and that is why he can call anybody a terrorist and expect the world to believe him. You don't know who Tinubu is. This is a man that killed your future. A man that came through the back door. A man that killed to the top, becoming the president of Nigeria. Tinubu never won an election. Tinubu stole power from Peter Obi and Dati Ahmed Baba. That is not a man that should be called a president. To me, he should be sitting in U.S. prison as we speak. That is not a man that should be trusted for any reason. A drug lord, a certificate forger, a criminal, and a thief. That is a man that called Mazen Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist. That is a man that puts Simon Ekpa where he is and called him a terrorist. Seyi Tinubu went to meet Ahmed Gumi in his house, sitting close to Ahmed Gumi. Some of you have those pictures. They didn't call Seyi Tinubu, your son, a terrorist. You can call Mazi Simon Ekpa, who has never sat with any terrorist in the world, next to any terrorist in the world. But you didn't call your son a terrorist because you are the president of, you call yourself so-called president of Nigeria, that you are not. A murderer. A certificate forger. These people I'm telling you are well read. You can't challenge them in any court in the world. But we are coming to that very soon because Simon will bring you out. You can't challenge them anywhere, both education, both in anything, both in cleanness. Tinubu, your president cannot fly to America, but he's telling you that these are terrorists. A drug lord, drug cartel, a mafia. That is who Tinubu is. And then you are calling drug dealers, they unalike them when they catch them. Pablo Escobar was shot to death in his house. Tinubu should be a dead man today. But if he managed to avoid death, became the president, he has the audacity to call indigenous people, he has the audacity to call me a terrorist. Have you seen what we are suffering? Have you seen the reason why Igbos must leave Nigeria? Have you seen the reason why we are shouting that we don't want to belong to Nigeria? Nigeria is not a country. And that is why they can play your head, ping pong. That is why they can move you left and right, fight you, destroy your lives, and hope that nothing happens to them. Because the international community are not doing anything about them. They don't do anything. They don't arrest them. They don't come for them. After they finish destroying Biafrans, after they finish massacring the Igbos, after they finish going to throw bombs in innocent people's house, international community will just keep quiet because of our mineral resources. That is it. That is why Alexander Stubb could come and go into bilateral agreement to remove Simon Ekpa in order to give Tinubu and Christopher Musa edge to go into Biafran land and slaughter them. Alexander Stubb of Finland. And then you called us a terrorist. You called a man that is defending Christians a terrorist. Tinubu. These are the people who massacred people in Lekki Toll Gate. You called me a terrorist. You called Simon a terrorist. But you massacred people. You destroyed lives and property in Lagos State. During NSAS. Have those people gotten justice? The answer is no. But you can call me a terrorist. Have you seen that these people are useless to the core? And that is why Tinubu must fall. That is why Donald Trump and America, ICC must come for this man called Tinubu. He's a terrorist. Who massacred people in Lagos State, Lekki Toll Gate. That one now has been swept under the carpet because you are the president. You stole power and came to become the president of the nation. Now you are bragging that Simon Igbos are terrorists. And that is why I am very ashamed of some people that call themselves City Boy Movement. You can see. You can see. Where is Bianca Olowu now to go and speak for Igbos? Where is Bianca Olowu to go and speak? No, let's leave Simon Ekpa. Speak for indigenous people of Biafra. You can't see them. When a man start fighting to defend the land, they will come. Oh, they are terrorists. Oh, who are the people killing our people, destroying lives in the Southeast? These are the people. Have you seen what I'm saying? Have you seen how wicked this government called themselves APC can be? They wake up one morning to just name an ethnic group a terrorist. Not as if they don't know what they're doing. Not as if they don't understand what indigenous people of Biafra means. It is only in Nigeria that indigenous people of Biafra are terrorist organization. We are registered almost over 100 and something countries in this world. None of those countries has seen us to be terrorists. Only Nigeria. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in power, he registered indigenous people of Biafra as a business name. Over 100 and something countries. Today, those countries are striving. Why Nigeria and the murderous country are calling us terrorists? They want to shift the narrative. They want to shift the blame. Anybody that can buy in this stupidity, they will give them our oil and gas for 60 years. That's what they did to Finland. That is what they did to Alexander Stubb. That is what they did. I can't forget calling those people's name. Because even in the midst of this crisis, we tagged Alexander Stubb. We called him. We tried to speak with him. He refused. If he sees our message, he will read it and pass. And think that everything will be... Don't worry, in less than 2-3 months, all of them will forget. They are still forgetful. That's what they thought. But we kept the fire burning. We kept it burning. Just like I told you people the other day that Dr. Masanga has taken them to the International Criminal Court. And he's trying to bring that case now to the UN. He's trying to bring it to European Union courts. To deal with them. He wants to deal with them where there is no corruption. You know, I told you people that these people, they don't like anything that concerns, anything that concerns documentation. Nigeria will run from it. A very corrupt nation. A very useless and hopeless country. Some of you don't know that Nigeria has eaten up your future. Some of you are struggling to survive, managing to survive, struggling to pay school fees. Some is just 100,000 that they need, they don't have. Some is just 10,000 that they need to feed their family, they don't have. Less than $1. Some Nigerian doesn't have it. And these people are going up and down looking for terrorists, calling Igbos terrorists. If useless man. A man that forged the certificates in Chicago told you that he went to Chicago State University. Why is Tinubu avoiding the American FBI not to release his certificate? So there is more to the crime that Tinubu committed in America. And he knows. That is why he can never go to America. That is why your president, so-called, can never step into America. And this is a man that calls Simon Ekpa a word. Or you, Tinubu, cannot enter America. You, with your diplomatic passport, you can't get into America. Is that not a shameful thing? And you are calling yourself Jagaban. You are calling yourself the Lord of Lords. And you have the audacity to mention Biafra. You have the audacity to mention Biafran's name in your madness. So that the world will say, oh, these Biafrans are terrorists. We are not terrorists. We can never be terrorists. We are loving people. We are peace people. We don't criminalize. We don't do any of this. All we do is business. The records are there. It is the Nigerian government that brought terrorism into the Southeast. It is the Nigerian government that brought military to unalive people, almost 28 people in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's house. It is Nigerian government that should be held accountable for terrorism, that brought military to kill people in Mpo, in Onitsha market, in Obibu. It is the Nigerian military. Nigeria is a terrorist nation, a terrorist sympathizer. People that reintegrate terrorists, non-Boko Haram, Boko Haram that have destroyed lives and property, bring them and give them training, resuscitate them into their military and give them guns, send them to the Southeast to cause chaos. This is the same country calling us terrorists. That is why we cannot coexist as a nation. That is why we cannot work as a nation. That is why I keep saying Biafrans are not like these animals. We can never be like them. Tinubu is trying to be relevant internationally because his image is damaged. Now he wants to use the good guy, Simon Ekpa. Now he wants to use the name of the indigenous people of Biafra. And you people must tag Bianca Olowu. She's not speaking again. She can't come and clear the air anymore because they know what is coming. And let me say this before I start rounding off. Nigerian government knows once Simon steps out of that prison, if he will defeat them, because the reason why I said he's going to defeat them, Simon has his case, he's going to stand, and his lawyer is from Finland. His lawyer has got the message well. His lawyer knows our case now. His lawyer has understudied our case and know where Mili to Ebio. So Nigerians can never, and I repeat, Nigerians can never get close to that lawyer. That is why they are hitting brick walls. And that is why they put Simon Ekpa name there, so that to look as if, hi, this guy is, so it's the reason why Sokoto is burning. So Simon is the reason why Castina is on fire. Simon is the reason why Just is on fire. Simon is the reason why your air defense system went to unalive people. Simon is the reason why that Sokoto is on fire today. Simon is the reason why a man that is sitting in prison, according to how you put it, is the reason why Kaduna is being Kaduna citizens are being massacred today. Can you see how daft you are? Just to create sin. Simon and Nnamdi Kanu, they are the reason why Nigerians cannot have good education. They are the reason why there is dollar hike. They are the reason why Boko Haram is now in Nigeria. That is what Nigeria wants you to believe. And you people are being unalived every day. You are believing that one person is your problem. Why your main problem is looking at you, laughing, enjoying parties with his family all over the world, coming to United Kingdom for royal visit with his children, sharing money, your money, you are sharing it to people in this country. Why Simon is sitting in prison, destroying Nigeria? Why Nnamdi Kanu is sitting in prison? Because the indigenous people of Biafra is Nnamdi Kanu that started that with that name. And they want to make Nnamdi Kanu look like a terrorist. That is why Nigeria can never be trusted. That is why I told you Tinubu can never be trusted. You see this 2027 election? My brother, you people should go and sleep. Tinubu will be the president. Oh God. I'm telling you the truth from here now. Nothing. They will do this abracadabra. Don't worry. Oh, hey, boom. They will put him in. You can't remove him. Oh. They will swear him in. Nothing will happen. Nothing. They got the court. They got the judges. They got all the lawyers. INEC, they owns it. Military is within their circle. They've got the whole military. So how are you going to penetrate them? Oh, you will speak, you will come on national TV. The only reason why Tinubu cannot remain the president is if America comes for that idiot and take him away with his criminal record and go and jail him in America. That is the only way Tinubu can never become the president of Nigeria. Apart from this, forget it. Tinubu is done and dusted. The how many million dollars? Is it 700 million, 7 point something million dollars? I've forgotten now that they gave him from this country. When is he going to pay you back? In his grave or when he leaves power? When he leaves next year, then he will start paying. Come on. You people should think. You people should think. Over 700 and something to fix the port. And he's not going to become the president. He's the most foolish president I've ever seen. Have you seen what we're saying? They find a way to hit your heads together so that you continue to fight each other. And the reason why they are doing what they are doing, they know Simon is coming. And when Simon comes out, the first thing Simon will ask, where is the declaration document? Because they know that Simon will be able to defend it. So they have gone everywhere to see how they can talk in, talk out, to discuss, to do something. so that Timon will be taken back to Nigeria. They hit brick walls. Because of who? Because of David, Dr. Masanga, and Dr. Ngozorobweze, the United States of Biafran government. Now they are putting Simon there. Why didn't they put my name? Don't they know? Have they not been seeing me? Talking about why can't they put my name there? They went to put innocent Biafrans' name. So Biafrans that are looking for money will leave and start looking for terrorism, how to terrorize Nigeria. Sponsor terrorism in Nigeria. For what gain? Nigeria, Biafrans are not in your politics. Biafrans are not in your government. So what are they? Why would they be terrorizing? For what? Of what use is it for them? If these people that was in government now, that they named their name, that they put their name are in government, I'll say, okay, they're not in our government. So it is just, that list will not make headline at all. Just forget it. You just brought it so that they will raise doors. But I can tell you, in fact, when they brought it out, go and look at what UK, this country, brought out about Tinubu, like yesterday night. About his royal visit to King Charles. Self-centered, self, and all whatnot. Just go and look at what UK, the same UK, said about them. Just yesterday, after bringing out those lists. And you want us to keep quiet. You want us to somehow keep quiet. Oh, somehow what they are doing is okay. Oh, Igbos can be treated anyhow because you have foolish governors. All your 5 southeastern governors cannot travel to America. If they try, they will be gone. I'm telling you for free. Tinubu, Christopher Musa, all of them cannot enter America. Christopher Musa can never step his foot into America. Tinubu can never. Tinubu is even number 1. He cannot. A president of a nation. This is a man that is calling. And that is why when I see all these things, I begin to wonder. I can take my passport and travel anywhere, enter that America and go and do business. I go to America to import vehicles. I stop importing vehicles because Tinubu was in power. Custom duty and clearance was very high. I stopped. Business in Nigeria, I stopped. I go to America. But Tinubu, your president, cannot fly into the same America. He can't. They don't born and where to near America. But he calls me a terrorist. He calls Simon Ekpa a terrorist. He jailed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for life for speaking the truth. Very fake and useless Yoruba people. If they say this is ethnicity, yeah, let it be. I hate Yoruba people. I hate them. Is it not same Yoruba people, a Yoruba judge, Yoruba lawyer that jailed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for life, and you want me to like such people? I don't like them. I don't like them. If you were in that, come and look at how Dr. Masanga said that Obasanjo betrayed them when they were fighting for Kagame. Go and listen to. I don't want to get involved in their whatever. What is it called? I don't want to get involved in that politics. But I listen to what this man is going to 80-something years now. Go and look at what he said about Obasanjo. Not even a nice thing. Since that day, I started thinking twice about Yoruba people. They are very fake people. Fake. The other day in this country, in Canada, Amaka was just talking about Yoruba, though she went extreme. They say, I'm going to buy. The next thing, Abigail just carry herself, a woman that she doesn't do anything. Just carry herself, go and, hey, she's deport her, their own is evil, 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 evil. Have you seen where America tells the country where their citizen is to deport their citizen back so that they will jail them there? Evil. When they hear evil. That foolish woman, no show woman called Abike, very stupid woman. Ran, come to me now. I have said another one now. Come to me. Let us Kaitinya can go on a trouser. They do it to people that they can manipulate. Amaka that just said something. There are people who have been there cursing and insulting Igbos. They never said anything. The moment Amaka said her own, they said, oh, bring her back. Oh, they started writing. Writes to UK authority now. Useless people. Wicked and hopeless black entities. You see them, you think, when they wear their agbada gown, you think they have something upstairs. They have nothing. Wickedness. But all we are asking them is for them to do the right thing. If they don't do the right thing, Nigeria is gone. I'm telling you, in a few weeks to come, I know that Simon will be coming. In a few weeks, just few weeks. Just hold on, hold brief. Everything Simon needs to defend himself is with him. Don't listen to anybody telling you that Simon, Masanga has cut ties with Ngozi. That's why I posted that thing there, because I went far to ask him those questions and he was able to answer me. Somebody will sit in his office, on his chair and start telling Biafrans lie. Oh, Ngozi, ask Ngozi, where is Masanga now? Now I went to ask Masanga. He said nothing of such. This is how they have been deceiving Biafrans, betraying their leaders and, telling all manner of lies. Biafrans will not know where they will follow. They won't know where they will go. And that is why I am here, to correct those mistakes. And I will end all of them. And I've put out that question. Please, I would be glad to give you £2,000. I don't have it. I will borrow. I am credit-worthy in this country. And I will pay it in less than 6 months. I'm telling you the truth. That's to show you how civil and how straightforward. I don't have that money, but just give me 5 reasons why I should look at Ngozi Arabweze and why those people have what they have done that has superseded what Dr. Ngozi Arabweze is doing for Biafra. That's all I need. 3.7 million plus will be your own. In your account, you will see it. I can never tell you what I cannot do. So for those people who are betrayers, who are talking from the both sides of their mouth, they can go and shut their mouths up. They don't know what is coming. And on this note, I will have to leave you people here because I'll have to resume my work, okay? Guys, I will speak with you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much. May God bless you, and may God continue to bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa Njoko, and Dr. Ngozi Arabweze for what they are doing for us. Is not easy. And for those of you sitting at home, obeying the sit-at-home order, God, in fact, now do pass. Easy. Now do pass. May God continue to bless you. All this your labor will not be in vain. Believe you me, Dr. Ngozi is doing her work. We know what she's doing. I am involved in whatever is going on. Don't think because don't worry. I'm closer to the government than any one of you. So nobody should be scared. Nobody should be scared. Yes, they have offered me so many appointments, but I said no. I don't need appointment now. I don't need anything. I want my freedom to come and in full. Then I know what I will stand looking for. Thank you so much, dear friends. May God bless you people. I'll speak to you guys again if I have the opportunity. Thank you from here. Bye-bye.
Guys, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.